Guys, welcome to our bathroom. So, because I've been going low trim, I decided why am I gonna be spending $35 and $40 to trim when I have an in-house barber right here? Guys, that has never trimmed before. This is the first time. Okay, let's do it. 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 I'm ready. I'm ready.
You ready? You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. I like it when I turn on the shirt. So weird. Okay. How you feel? How you feel? I feel confident. Look here, the barber shops are closed, and I need to go to work tomorrow.
You can't even line me up too.
Okay.
I think.
All right. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it.
I want to see them do me a bit. That is not enough, man.
Man, don't get excited about this now, you know.
Yeah, it's not enough.
I put the blade on 2. So you just have to put it to level 2. You feel like it's too high? You can put it on 1 then.
I don't know. Don't stop, don't make me laugh, you know. No, it doesn't. I don't cock up so. Because you be up and down, you should just do it in a one way, where your ear grow. Next time, just do it in a one direction.
Your toy scissors. Your toy scissors.
I can't find your scissors, so this have to work. One direction.
Okay. We say I do your boss a line up.
Yeah, make a line.
Well,
Take it off.
guys, how's she going?
That's enough.
How's she going so far? How's she going so far?
Alright, that will turn. Me that.
Are you that?
Eh?
Are you that?
It's not government. It's not
I feel
government.
like I make you don't know, because you get too excited, you feel like say, it's like I can't wear, just make it stay, you understand? Just get some alcohol.
Come on,
Yes.
let me just finish up.
I can finish up with.
You just touch up.
No, not touch your front.
And you, come on.
Babes, my earline grow weird in front of my head. I'm afraid I go.
Mess it up.
Yeah, just make it stay like you can go and beat. Just pass one brush and say, look.
This brush now go eat the food. We go.
Don't me that, man. Backside, man.
Baba na see. Walking next year.
Huh? Baba na see my back.
Team ain't got.
Yes, if you catch your line up.
Me tell you say, but me try.
No, but no, you try. It's when I try.
Right.
Barber shop for open. So if it mess up, I can just shut your barber shop.
You not mess up.
Right now.
Watch it. Panay.
Yeah, thanks, man.
Who
So,
want practice on a me that?
yeah, you know,
Barber
bad.
school, that's so I give myself it.
Yeah.
I ain't alcohol upon.
Full package.
Yes.
What do you mean?
This is where you guys.
The barber aggressive, you man.
This is where you guys.
What my cars?
This is where you move, but your teeth.
What the barber is aggressive, man.
I'm not aggressive.
And furthermore, make sure you know when I give you no illegal line up.
Don't move.
Are you ready for that sun and all, man? Nah, so nothing. You don't run too bad. Up.
Look here.
Man, that must have been around here.
I just keep on moving. I'm just gonna get beach jiggy.
Yeah, the way I normally trim, guys, it cost me $55 the last time I went to the barber shop, and I'm like, $55? That's too expensive. I don't care if I live at the North Pole. That's too expensive. So you know what? I started to just go basic with my trim, and then that cost me $35 the last time I went to the barber shop. But this trim, how much it cost me?
$100.
$100.
Yeah,
So why this barber shop more expensive than actual barber shop?
I'm not sure. No.
Yeah. Well, this is supposed to be a free trip, but it cost me $100. But nonetheless, guys, it's a good bonding opportunity as well, and it save a lot of money, because in Canada right now, any way you can save some money, you have to do that, because things are a lot more expensive than it used to be. No longer can I just go to the barber shop whenever I feel like, or just certain things that we used to be able to do. You can still do it, but at the end of the day, you're gonna be spending a lot more on things that you can conserve on, right? And ultimately, if you're thinking of coming to Canada, this is one of the ways that you guys can save money as well. Because you have some persons in Jamaica, especially some men, because I know I was one of those guys, go to the barber at least once a week or once every 2 weeks. If it's even to get a lineup, it'll cost you like $5 or a trim, it'll cost you a good amount of money. If you can get yourself a share, it's cheaper and you save a lot of money. And if you have like a goal, a 1 year goal, a 6 months goal, you'll be surprised the amount of money you can save over the period of time. The other thing that you guys can consider doing is eat out less. Now, I'm not gonna say stop eating out because sometimes you want that experience, that vibe, but limit the amount of time that you eat out. Cook more, right? Cook more, and you find that when you cook one time, you can serve it for 2-3 days. Well, regular family. You can serve it a while. So you can save some money and bring lunch, right? Now those are things that can really help you guys save a lot of money, like limiting the amount of lunch that you buy at work. Because remember, we're from Jamaica and we know what it is. $1,000 can probably barely get you a good lunch per day. So that are $5,000 per week, right? That are $20,000 per month, just lunch. But if you can cook and whatever you cook the night before, you bring to work the next day, you save $20,000 right there. So the other thing is carpool. Guys, carpool. I used to do it. Carpool. Nobody with the flexing thing. Instead of everybody drive, I know it's very convenient, but we know there's a lot of traffic, which equals a lot of gas, which equals a lot of expense. And plus you have to pay a toll for some people. How about if you live in a community and you know somebody work in a general vicinity of where you work as well? Instead of both of you guys drive, okay, then I'll drive this week and you'll drive next week. We'll come together and buy gas and you pay the toll this week and I pay the toll next week. Savings. A lot of times people put convenience.
If you're saving towards a goal, don't use convenience. Don't put it in front of you.
Yeah. Carpool. I'm not saying for run the robot, but I'm not saying to run the robot taxi. But what I'm saying is, persons who live in your community and work in your general area who don't drive. Create an arrangement that, hey, I'll take you to work in the mornings, but you have to pay the toll every day. I'll take you to work in the mornings, but you have to give me like gas. Yes. Yeah, I'll take you to work in the mornings and whatever. So they're getting the convenience and you are getting the extra money, right? And all of these are things that you can do to get money. And within 6 months' time, I can guarantee you guys, you'll be so surprised the amount of extra money you'll be able to save. How much for a KFC meal I know? You're around $2,000. If I do that once a week, that's $2,000 a week. If I do that for the month, that is what? $6,000 for the month. Plus the $20,000. Plus the full 1 car of gas for the week is at least $10,000 to $15,000 in Jamaica, the average car. Per week. So for the month, that is $60,000. So when I look on the gas, the food, and all of them things there, you have roughly $100,000 a month where you spend and you can cut back on. It's so simple. It's so break it down very simple. Now the other thing that you want to do, guys, is join a partner. I'm talking to my Jamaicans. If you're not a Jamaican, that simply is an informal saving strategy that people use to use pool funding. Pool funding, that's a thing that's been going on since time immemorial because that's what it is. Pool funding. And the reason why I want to join a partner is the money that I use for a barber, for example, once a week or once every 2 weeks, use that to pay a partner.
The extra money from the carpool.
The extra money from the carpool, use it to pay a partner. The extra money from the KFC, use it to buy a partner. Because remember now, all of these companies are already rich. right? So you are contributing to them being richer, and you are sacrificing your dream, your goal, right? People are always asking, how do I get the money to study in Canada? How do I get the money to do this? Simple. Sacrifice. You have to beat a year like this for a little while. Yeah, it's probably not the perfect cut. It's probably not the whatever, but at the end of the day, I save myself $35 minimum. Who cares how it look? well, probably I shouldn't say that. But it's decent. I'm not planning to get married tomorrow. I'm already married. I'm not planning to go to a formal function, which means I'm have to get the sharp and whatever. So you just do what you have to do until. I think that there's so many sacrifices people can make that can make them dreams come true, but people rely on convenience and the flex. The flex, we know guys. But this is where you choose what is important to you. Do I want to flex? Or do I want to migrate? Right? And my boss attack to the man them, but they go for the woman them as well. The ladies them who you gotta change your ear every week. They gotta change your ear every 2 weeks. We know. At Jamaica we come from. Sometimes I just beat it. Yeah, sometimes I just beat it for a little while. You understand? And the money when I use to do that, invest it. Save it.
Don't look at what person's going to say because they're always going to talk.
They're going to talk regardless.
Regardless. If you even put on the earstyle and say, what kind of earstyle that? So, regardless, don't watch on your face and save your money.
Short-term pain, long-term gain. At the end of the day, when you get to where you want to get to, you can do that plus tax. Right? So just make a sacrifice that can change your life, change your future. Right? And I always say to people that money is something that can be attained. And people always be like, oh, studying in Canada is so expensive.
It is expensive.
It's damn expensive. It's very expensive. But
start by doing small stuff.
And create a plan. Yeah. Create a plan. Don't look for a quick fix thing. Don't look to get the vision right now to study in Canada. I want the money right now. Because as you know, someone not born with gold spoon. Someone never born with board spoon. Never spoon. I want to eat with. But create a plan. Create a strategy that give you the best chance of succeeding within the next 12 months. As a quick 12 months run off, I promise you, if you started saving last year, October, you'll be reaping the benefit right now. And look how near last year, October look now that you're looking back. But look how far next year, October look when you're looking forward. Point I'm trying to make is, when you look back, it's always short. As a quint, 1 year run off. Stop procrastinating, man. Stop unnecessary spending. And start save towards a goal. Start save towards a dream. Anyway, smash a like on the video if you feel like not to do that. Okay, job.
Smash a like.
Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new here. My name is Dems.
Not here.
Jamaican who migrated to Canada back in 2019. Beautiful city of Grand Prairie, Alberta. Big up on yourself. All of the Grand Prairie massive on the video right now. And thank you to all the persons who have been subscribing, all the persons who have subscribed, and all the persons who have just been sharing, blessing us, praying for us, sending positive energy our way. Love and appreciate you guys. See you guys in the next video.